It was the year 2100. Grandma says, Alita, it's time to sleep. Go ahead and sleep in your capsule. Alita said, But Grandma, I'm not sleepy. Grandma says, You cannot charge yourself if you don't sleep right now. Alita said, Okay, then one condition. Just tell me a story and then I'll go for sleep. So, what kind of story do you want to hear? Something which will be way too interesting and exciting. Grandma, take some time. Would you like to hear my story? Okay, let's go. It was 2047, January 9. It was the first day of my life on the earth and also a turning point to the way of the destruction. What happened, Grandma? On the day, one of the greatest scientists, Elon Musk, came into the frame. He just discovered something which was unbelievable, something which was beyond our imaginations, something which is incredible, that is controlling our death. What? How can somebody do that? The whole world, including me, was just shocked like you. But he explained that our human body is nothing but just like a PC. Until we supply lithium energy to the PC, it will be fine. But once the supply of the energy will be stopped, the PC gets turned off. In the same way, until we pump the blood to the body, we will be alive. To understand this, let me give you an example. First of all, he takes a dead body and sucks all of his blood from his body. And then he replaces the artificial organs with the decayed organs of the body. The pumped blood will be purified and re-injected in the body. In this process, the blood turns into blue color. In this way, he just makes people alive. That's why one of my eye, legs and liver looks like robotic parts and my blood is in blue color. That means you were dead in your past and alive now due to Elon Musk? Yes, in 2087 I was found dead in a nuclear blast. The AI robots came and took my dead body, went to the lab and gave me a rebirth. I don't know what they did to me in the lab, but once I opened my eyes and realized that my eyes, my legs are not the same. My breathing style was also not the usual one. A man came near me and said, Look, just don't be scared, I'm your doctor. And he said everything about my rebirth. For a moment, I was just shocked. It was hard to believe that I was a humanoid. Suddenly, Grandma gets headache. Alita's mom. Alita, don't disturb Grandma. Go and sleep now. Alita went to sleep. It was full of darkness. There was no difference between day and light. This is all done because the pollution occurred by the nuclear bombs. People just cannot see the sunlight. Animals were almost extinct. 85% of the trees were destroyed. The percentage of the air oxygen was reduced to 10%. Ozone layer were destroyed. The evolution of the humans to humanoids takes place, where whole world was a terrific battlefield.